So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Monopoly Go tips and tricks. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So the Monopoly Go is a fairly popular game in iOS and Android. So basically it's a reenactment version of the Monopoly board game. So here I'll show you a few tips and tricks to get more dices and so. So the first one is going to your top right corner and go into your shop, and then scrolling to your very right, and then you will receive a gift every 8 hours in the game. So the next one is here. By doing events and doing tournaments, you can get free dices and free rewards for doing so. So as you can see here, that there's going to be a 7,000 dice reward if you complete a milestone. So there's all 775 in my end. And as you can see, all you have to do is land in the corner tiles to do and get such things from them. There's also your tournaments right here, where every milestone you can get fairly good amount of gifts and cards for your albums to complete. And another one is by going to your albums, and as you can see here, by collecting stickers, you can also get free dices and free money as rewards. So as you can see here, I'm almost finished with my albums, and there's a grand prize of 15,000 dices and also a free token as to go with it, with the 2.3 billion cash. So the next thing you also want to do is by building and developing all your landmarks, you can get free dices by going to the next board if you have finished it. So those are just few tips and tricks to get through with your Monopoly Go. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and see you again next time.